Morning! So we are leaving Prague today. Where are we going?
Budapest.
Budapest. But first, we gotta grab some breakfast.
Let's go!
Welcome to Bratislava. The only thing I know about this place is from Euro trip, where they had a stop by here and they got pickpocketed like pretty fast. So apparently, according to our tour guide, yeah, the pickpocket scene here is kind of hot. But yeah, so this is Bratislava. So we just checked into a hotel and we're taking a walk along the Danube River. Of Hungary. And it's a pretty nice street here. Lots of touristic places to see. So I take a photo, filming because of that big book here, right? Yeah, so let's try and snap some photos. So we're going for a buffet again on a boat. I think that is our boat, and that's a very nice boat. Like the whole of Hungary is like really nice right now. And we're in Budapest once again. If you guys didn't know, so nice. Look at that. I've never been to Paris, but I think this will top Paris anytime. Dinner time.
So we're on board now.
That's our guide.
I am the guy. Cheers. Alright, see ya, see ya.
Thank you. Oh, look at the food. Right, so we just finished the dinner cruise. Loads of time lapse for you guys, which will be played right before this. So we're heading back to the hotel to rest, and then tomorrow we're gonna explore Budapest. Good night, guys. So it's breakfast time, day 1 in Hungary. They have nice bread. And it's time to eat. So we're going up fast. Ready for our tour. Oh, right there. in a Hungarian restaurant eating goulash.
So you put this thing in the we have bread.
We have clocks. Asian woman and her bread. Yep. And the soup is, I thought it was ours, but. We just finished our Hungarian lunch. It was a nice meal. It was like just beef goulash all over. So fun fact about Budapest, Harry Houdini was born here. I love him so much. And the inventor of Rubik's Cube was from Hungary as well. That's fun facts.